Hello friends, this is Grisel's from Grisel's Cakes in my kitchen today, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make some ice cream bars using only 2 ingredients, which is awesome. So on my ice cream bars I usually use yogurt, and I use this one because it's dairy free, and I'm going to be using some chocolate, baking chocolate, and I found this brand which I never saw before, but when I saw it today at Walmart, actually I was like, it looks kind of interesting and delicious, so why not? So I'm going to try this brand. It's the first time that I see it actually, so we'll see how it turns out. And you are going to need some popsicle sticks and some sort of mold for the ice cream bars. I'm going to show you 2 different options that you can actually use to do your ice cream bars. In case that you don't have the silicone mold, you can use another option, which is one of the molds from the Dollar Tree. So just stay tuned if you are interested in see this recipe. So here I show you the 2 different molds that I was telling you before. This is the silicone mold. You can find this in Amazon. I can leave a link below on the description box. And they are these other molds that they are from the Dollar Tree. I already froze some of them because I want to show you how to get them out of the mold. For the silicone mold, all I did is took the yogurt, whatever yogurt you want to use, and pour the yogurt on the mold, just like this. Then take the popsicle stick and place it through the opening that is down here. Pour more yogurt, cover the whole entire popsicle stick, and then you have it. That's it. As simple as that. This hard plastic, it actually took me 2 hours for them to froze. So, and this one in here, I just froze on almond milk, and this one is the strawberry yogurt. And the reason that I put this the popsicle stick on this one is because for some reason when I pull them out, this part comes off without the bar. So I don't know what's going on. So for me it doesn't work, but I'm gonna try with the popsicle stick. Now let me tell you the difference between using the silicone mold and the hard plastic mold is that it's easier to release the bar from the mold. Just like that, it just pops out. Now in this case, for this one, I will have to put them in hot water for maybe 2 or 3 minutes for the bar to get released from the mold. So we'll see how it will turn out. For the chocolate, there's so many options out there that you can choose from. There's different brands, different kinds. There's the dairy-free chocolate. There's just like this one. What I like is only 5 grams on sugar, and it's cane sugar. Also, it's because it's made with real unsweetened chocolate. Now for the chocolate, all we are going to do is pour the chocolate in a cup. I usually melt my chocolate on a measuring cup. It's easier because I just put it directly to the microwave. You take your chocolate and you place it on the microwave for 30 seconds. And you might have to do this a couple of times, maybe 2 times. It depends on your chocolate. Sometimes I have to melt it for 3 times for 30 seconds intervals. So here's my chocolate. I actually put it 2 times for 30 seconds. Still a little bit hard. Then you take it back to the microwave for 30 seconds again. Now remember to put the chocolate on the microwave for only 30 seconds every time that you have to put it back. Just 30 seconds. Do not put it for more because otherwise you're gonna burn the chocolate. This is how my chocolate looks like after 3 times. You see, now it's completely melt. Delicious, yummy, yummy. I can't wait. Look at this. And it smells super good. Yummy. This is perfect. I'm gonna take my ice cream bar out of the silicone mold. Look how easy. You see how perfect they come out? Yummy. Now, just gonna dip my ice cream bar. Oh wait, I forgot. This is what I forgot. The parchment paper. We need some parchment paper to put the bars. When you dip them on the chocolate, you need to place them on the paper. So here we go. Now we are ready. Okay. Here's my bar. You just place them, dip them on the chocolate. And just like this, say the extra chocolate. Yummy. Just like this. It's a lot of chocolate. And look how perfect. Beautiful ice cream bar. There we go. Then place them on the parchment paper and let them dry. Now, if for some reason after you dip your first bar, you see how beautiful it is? But because of the coldness from the bar, it will make your chocolate hard. So all you have to do is take a little bit of Crisco and then add it to your chocolate, put it back on the microwave for, I will say, for only 15 seconds, just to try if it melts the Crisco. Then it will come out just like this again. And then do your second bar, and so on. Now for this mold, that is the plastic hard ones from the Dollar Tree, what I did is I have to run the mold under a little bit of warm water just for maybe 2 minutes, and then it got released and it came out perfect. Look how beautiful. And it's the strawberry bar. So we're gonna dip that on chocolate also. Because this bar is huge and I don't have enough chocolate, what I'm doing is just taking the spoon and covering the whole entire bar like this, and from the back. Now that I did 2 of the bars, the one from using the hard plastic and the silicone, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of the chocolate, place it on this little cute bottle. And this is just to decorate my beautiful bar, because you have the small hole like this. Now I gotta have my chocolate on the plastic bottle. I'm just gonna make some designs and just decorate it however you want to decorate it, just like this. Oh, there's chocolate everywhere. Oh well. And also taste some of the cute little sprinkles. I had chocolate sprinkles and just place it on the bar just like this before the chocolate dries. And please look at this. Ice cream. Anyone? Yummy. Look how gorgeous and beautiful. And I'm gonna show you, and I gotta try this one. Strawberry, chocolate, really good. You gotta try it.